Okay, so just did a factory reset. Turning on my Bluetooth on my phone. Car kit, 1, 2, 3, 4, pair. There's my phone. No sound. No sound at all.
Seguridad cibernética. 4. Suspensión.
Nope. I tried something else, but headphone.
Do you think it would be possible if you met a young man that reminded you of yourself when you were his age, and that would excite you to train him? Like if he was so
That sounds just
excited
fine.
about it and so dedicated and driven and talented, and you felt like he would do everything you told him to do.
But I cannot. Even the buttons sound. They sound perfect through speakers. I just have no voice. I don't understand. No voice. It's incredible. Please help. This is really frustrating.